Passive income for life. Retired or thinking about it? Imagine waking up every month to see money flowing into your account without clocking into any job. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful income streams that can give you passive, consistent cash flow for life, even after you retire. Whether you're retiring at 60 or planning to FIRE at 40, these strategies are how smart retirees keep the money flowing long after the paycheck stops. Stick around. The 5th one is the most overlooked and totally hands-off. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. How it works. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends, typically quarterly, but you can build a laddered portfolio to get cash flow monthly. Pros. Passive income, potential for stock price appreciation, tax-advantaged. Tip. Choose dividend aristocrats or ETFs like SCHD or VYM for stability. 2. Rental property income. How it works. Own residential or commercial properties and collect rent monthly. Pros. Cash flow plus property appreciation. Hedge against inflation. Tip. Hire a property manager to make it passive, or consider REITs if you prefer hands-off exposure. 3. Annuities. Fixed or immediate. How it works. You give an insurance company a lump sum in exchange for guaranteed monthly income, either starting now or later. Pros. Predictable, stable income for life or a set number of years. Tip. Use annuities to cover essential living expenses in the slow-go or no-go retirement stages. 4. Systematic withdrawals from retirement accounts. How it works. Take a fixed monthly amount from accounts like IRAs, 401(k)s, or brokerage accounts using a safe withdrawal strategy, for example, 4% rule. Pros. Flexible. Can adjust based on market performance. Tip. Create a bucket strategy. Short-term cash, mid-term bonds, long-term growth assets. 5. Money market or high-yield savings interest. How it works. Park cash in high-yield savings or money market funds and earn interest income monthly. Pros. Very low risk, instant liquidity. Tip. Use this as a cushion for short-term needs or to supplement other income streams.